It's touch respawns, so whenever you're shot, come back here. Unless you need to reload, all you gotta do is touch, and you go back into the game. I don't know how, I was gonna say, I don't know how fast y'all want to win this game, man. Because, I mean, everybody should know by now, that's the fastest route to White River from here.
That's where we're going. Hey, I think, all of us just go this way. All of us, Chris.
Now, as soon as we get in there, though, you got to watch far because they're going to be coming in through that door.
They're going to be flooding, so depending on how fast they move, it depends on how fast they get to White River.
So, since you have on your barrel, why don't you shoot that way?
No, we're all, dude, get in that room. Get in that room and start throwing fire all down that hall.
At least half of them are going this way.
Well, that's stupid of them, because we just need to get the briefcase and clear back this way. So, hey, we'll yell out like we have the bomb, and everybody just start posting up back this way, watching here, because we got to get it back to respawn. So once you hear, like, we got the bomb, or, you know, we'll say something, like, you guys just flood back, and we want to cover this side, and whoever's got the bomb, hug this back wall. Just cover you back this way. So, as soon as we get in that room, everybody just get in that room and get cover. Everybody just get in that. We're going straight in.
We're
going straight in there, and we're gonna face this way, and we're gonna cover. We're gonna get to that bomb as quick as possible.
Have your gun on full auto. Make sure you have it.
Yeah.
Keep it on full auto.
Full auto. This. Okay. Now shoot.
I don't have it on full auto. I just have it on safety right now.
I usually put on semi.
I mean, I've got it on full auto. I just face it away from everybody.
One time I had an accident in 15. I hit this guy in my
Thank
sights.
you. How many people do that? They're like, hey, full auto.
Yeah, well.
Like, yeah.
Hey, get ready.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Ready!
Hey, get in that room. Get in that room.
Now I'm gonna cut that way, so whoever
go this way, Houston. You two go that way. Go get him!
Where's the case? Where's the case? Where's the case? You got one straight ahead. One straight ahead. Go, 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 go. Woo.
Game over!
Yeah.
Man, that's
getting quick on you.
what you got? Oh! My single point swing broke when we hit each other. Oh. Get in that room. Make sure you're watching this sport.
Ready!
Offense,
What are you guys going for?
3, 2, 1, go!
Go. Just walk back to respawn and touch. If you got safety, walk back to respawn and touch. Yes.
Behind us! Your gun isn't firing. Bro, your gun isn't firing.
I didn't hear it shooting, I don't think.
Hey, bro. His gun wasn't shooting.
Nice little move. What happened?
Make sure you watch this way.
Yep. Is he there?
Someone shoot me or
5 minutes left in the game! Clear shot. Why you didn't have it sealed correctly?
Do what?
That's why it didn't go off. You didn't have it sealed correctly. You got to make sure you snuggle.
Woohoo! That was close. Middle door! Middle door!
Clear shot. Sorry.
It's all right.
But as you can tell, I wouldn't put my head around it.
There's one sitting right there at the middle door. I've got him pinned. You got one at the middle door. Whoa. Did you see a hit on me at any point? Okay.
I know he did that wall because I heard it.
Yeah. Well, I wasn't sure because.
He's one of those ones that believe every shot he makes is on point.
Yeah. I know I'm not even that accurate.
Right. I mean, I know, dude. I mean, as accurate as some of these people tell you I'm in here, I know I'm not that accurate.
Yeah.
I mean, and if any of these guys have done anything that I've told you in the open, is watch when you shoot and turn, you'll actually see your rounds go down and actually go back. They won't stay straight.
Shit. You got one coming down to you.
Drop your mags, clear your weapons. Set inside for a break.
I think it might have been you.
Straight around.
What?
Were you over there on the far side?
Where? Like we were all four there.
Your right side. Your right side.
My right side?
I
don't know.
saw your shadow. I started shooting and you lit me up.
Did I?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I don't mean to light anybody up, but
No, it's fine. Wait, what's your name?
huh? Yeah. Yeah, one of the admins got it. It was in White Room. Yeah. One of the admins got it.